Okay, I'm recording, yay. Look at this. This is majestic. This is majestic.
When we get halfway out there, me and you gonna stop and get in the water then.
No!
We are.
No! I'm about to not die. This is so majestic that it feels like America.
You recording, Josh?
Yeah. This is hey, you can get it if you do my iPad.
I ain't messing with you.
This is so majestic that it feels like America.
It is.
It just feels like America. Pigeon, you suck!
That's like a 4 or 5 mile ride.
Hey, Pigeon, you suck! Stop, Pigeon! Gonna show you guys around. This is just the inside of the car, but this feels like America. To go, America. This is so majestic.
Alright, I'm gonna get out.
I tell you what,
You
this is like
better
different
not.
experience. Taking the ferry and
But don't
driving
car,
around.
it doesn't
Yeah.
say
Different
that.
experience.
Use
I should have drove around. Yeah, but this is a different
Say you
experience.
should've?
Yep! Okay, fine, get out, but trying to tell you something, I love you!
You got jumped out. You got praise. So look at your mama. She out.
Okay, let's go. Damn! This is majestic! So majestic! Look at the clouds and the sky. Wait, what is that? Wait, what in the world is that? I have no idea what it is. Oh. Hey, guy! Hey, guy! Guy! Hey, guy! Guy, I'm filming you! Oh, come on! Hey, guy! Guy, here! Guy! Guy! Guy, look, I'm filming you! I saw that! I'm filming you guys! I'm filming you! You might not like it! Oh wait, God, what's that?
This is a light. Put a light up.
Hey look, I can see Seti from there! Major look! Major look!
See the light blinking?
Yeah. Major look, by the way. I tried to, you know what, I'm not gonna count that. If you're tired, I'm locking the door.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
No. I locked the door, so you can't get me. Hey, this feels like America. This feels like America. You know, I can't believe all these cars are on the boat. I can't believe all these cars are in the boat. Ugh.
One more. All right.
Okay. This is majestic. This is so majestic. It feels like America. This feels like America. This one feels like America. America is great. I think I can see a city from here. I think I can see a city.
Huh?
I think I can see
Yeah,
a
you
city.
see it
from
right
there.
there?
Yeah.
That's it right there.
That's a city?
You see the other boat right there?
Talk about, yeah.
You see the other boat right there?
Yeah. You know, I feel like we're playing battleships.
Yeah.
Pigeon, you suck! Talk about the lost city of Atlanta or something.
Yeah.
going out to swimmers. Pigeons suck.
Without no pigeon.
Pigeons suck. Because they're dumb. And they just fell on a car of a window shield. Wait, what was that? What was that? Oh, Wake Forest University? Oh, wait, I think I see something else.
What you see?
I don't know. It almost went like a lighthouse.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Hey, another ship.
I guess that's a ferry too. I see a couple cars. I see a couple cars on there. Yeah. Truck. Yeah. Yeah.
If we tip over, then I hope they have lifeguards. Now I have a phobia. Look at that other ship. It's majestic.
See them waving at you, Josh? They're waving at you.
Oh, I don't see them waving at me, but hey!
They were calling your name. So they would say, "Hey, Josh."
Hello! Hello! I have no idea what they're doing on the other side of the boat. Oh, ahoy! Ahoy, matey! I think I found an island. Ahoy, mateys! I found an island.
Huh?
I found an island.
You
Thanks.
see, we're gonna drop you off on that island right there.
No! Why? How dare you?
Look, you have your own island by yourself.
No, why? Why? But there's no food on the island. I would starve to death. How dare you?
You have your own island by yourself.
No, I'd rather not have an island because they
You
suck.
right there, look.
Yeah, no.
You can do what you want to.
No! Oh yeah? Why would I just go on an island if I still have school? Then what would they do about that?
Well, you only got 1 week left in school.
Yeah, but what
And you
if...
finish up all your testing.
Yeah, and I'd rather not go on an island.
That's a sailboat right there.
Yeah, a sailboat. Oh, yeah, I saw another boat. I see another boat behind it. See another boat behind it.
Yep, there was another. Yeah.
You know what? I feel like we're on a Titanic.
That's a rescue boat. That's a fire department boat there. See that fire rescue on there?
Oh wow. Just.
So he's out here making sure everybody be safe.
I know, right? This is majestic. Wow. Oh wait, I see.
You see it?
Oh my God! Look. The
What?
green thing. It almost looked like that someone would be stranded there, surrounded by sharks, and if they tried to go out there, they'd die. So I'm not doing that. Yeah.
That's why we're gonna leave you in right there.
No! Stop! Just stop, please. I don't want to go on an island.
I'm sure somebody probably
I might starve to death. I might actually
Yeah. I mean, you can dock and
And
camp out, take the tent up overnight.
and stuff, and you die.
That's right. Yeah.
This feels like America. And that pigeon sucked. Oh wait, that pigeon sucked. Because it's almost going into the water. So it sucks.
Yeah. Somebody don't feel it. Yeah. They know.
Yeah. This feels like America. America. That pigeon sucks. Oh my God! I thought I went into the water for a second.
Gotta scoot down, Josh. Fish.
Oh wait, there are pigeons behind us, which they suck too. Yeah, this is majestic. This is majestic. This is majestic. This is majestic. This is what the world is that?
Yeah. They were.
What in the world? Are they pigeons? Are they pigeons already? Are they pigeons?
They on the hunt, man. They on the hunt.
What? Wait, are they pigeons? Cause no, I don't care. Wow, I sound like in a British accent. What the? Are they pigeons?
Those right there are the pelicans there.
Oh.
They're hunting for fish.
But how can they hunt fish if they're underwater?
Yeah, and once in a while you'll see them jump down and catch some fish. Catch them in their paws there. Come up with them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, on that little thing over there, there's a lot of them swarming around over there.
Oh my God, are we almost there already?
Okay, getting close now. We're getting close.
How can we get close already? I mean,
Getting close.
well, it probably takes a couple minutes anyways.
Josh, you want to get out?
No! I'm about to not die in the water!
Man, please.
Now, okay, I'm going on ships. I'm in the water.
You want to get out?
No, I don't want to because I have a phobia.
It's a lot cooler out here.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm about to stick my head in the window. I'm about to just stick my head in the window.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah. You know what? When I get home, I'm gonna be sending this on YouTube. Or if I get Wi-Fi in the apartment. Wait. You know what? I kind of feel like that island's just a. I kind of feel like that island is connected to the city, I guess.
Where you gonna stay the night at?
No! No!
On that
I
island
know
by-
you're messing
on
with
that
me.
island by
I know you're
yourself.
messing with me. I'm not gonna. So you just want me to starve to death? You don't love me?
Really catch you something?
Oh wait, I see another city. I think I see another city. Pigeon, you suck!
Just glide along.
That pigeon sucks.
Trying to see what you got
Pigeon
in your
sucks
hand.
because they will poop on the windowsill.
There's a fishing on it.
Wait, are they fishing?
They fishing.
I'd rather not go fishing because, well, they made me kiss a fish. Why? That one time in Victory Junction, they just make me kiss the fish. Why? I'm looking at your hat. I'm looking at the back of your hat. That's Cowboys. That's Cowboys. Oh God. Yeah, I didn't touch you. That's why I'm just afraid of you.
You're pooping now.
No, you didn't put my window shield! Pigeon, you suck!
As long as he out there doing it.
That pigeon sucks.
Good job.
So did that other pigeons. Oh wow, there's single file. There's single file. Wow.
Right there together.
Yeah.
That's how the boys a lot of planes. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, there's
Line
one bit.
formation.
I'm gonna end this video because, well, I can't be able to send it to YouTube if it takes too long.
Okay.
Bye.